Can control wiring be routed along with the power cables in the back of the switchgear? Can all the control wiring for a specific switchgear section be routed in the same conduit? The answer to this question is actually two separate answers, and it depends on the switchgear being either low voltage or medium voltage. For the low voltage switchgear, the answer would be yes. If you look at this slide, you can see this is a top view of typical switchgear sections. On the top portion of that switchgear layout, you'll see that there's a conduit area that's designated for the power cables as well as the control wiring that's brought into that section for the various control for the generators and transfer of the ATS as they're connected to the system. On the medium voltage system, the answer is no. The back area where the power cables would come into the switchgear, that's specifically for the power cables. The controls for that medium voltage switchgear would be in the 2x8-inch opening that you see in the front portion of that switchgear. To answer the second question, if the control wiring for a specific section can be wrapped in the same conduit, the answer to that is no. The AC and DC wiring needs to be kept in its own separate conduits. It's recommended that any communications wiring, whether it's Cat5 cable or fiber or RS-45 wiring, that it be run into a separate conduit from all the other controls wiring the AC and DC wiring.